All right, so what I'm going to be talking about is the filter function in Python. And so pretty much, the filter function just checks each item in a list. Um, it provides, like yes returns for an item. So pretty much when you're using a filter function, once you finish with the filter function, it actually creates a new list. And let me write down like the traditional syntax of it. So here you have the filter function, and inside the filter function, you have a function and you have a iterable, and that iterable, it represents the list. So these two are combining. This function is combining with this iterable to make a new list. And let me write an example real quick. You have a list of numbers, create this list. Here we have the list. Here we have numbers. And let's create a function. So I'm going to create a function that tests for numbers even. Define even. So usually when like you're dividing an odd number, there's no remainder, or the remainder is usually zero. So I want to use mod to create that formula. Okay. And now let's apply the filter function. So here I have my list, which is my iterable, and here I have my function. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to create this filter function combining this is even function that tests if a number is even, and this iterable of numbers, which is a list of numbers, which goes in like this filter function right here. Even numbers is what the new list is going to be. We have to filter out all the odd numbers and keep the even numbers. Combining is even and iterable. And to make it convert to a whole new list, we have to convert the object to a list using a list function. I'll do that right now. Numbers. Let's see what comes out. I have a syntax error. Ooh, can't believe I did that. Let's try it. All right. So as you can see, the output right here is showing only even numbers in our new list. Let's try another one. Let's filter out empty strings. So let's create the list or iterable strings. Okay, let me write down the iterable so that, I mean, the, the general syntax so that we follow procedures. Function iterable. So I'm gonna have create a filter function where the function is inside the parameters and it's required as well as the iterable. These two are required. So strings. apple, orange. Oh, an empty string. Mango. Yes, my function is not empty. I mean, so pretty much, this is we created this is not empty function. So pretty much, this s is pretty much this saying we return this function uh, s cannot equal an empty string right here. This is the empty string. Not equal. Okay, cannot have empty strings. We don't want any empty strings in this list. So we're trying to take out all the empty strings basically. So now, so basically right here, have the original list. We have this function letting us know that, hey, for this function, we're trying to get rid of all these empty strings. And then I created a new list using a list function. And the filter function, just realized I have this S here. Take that S out. This filter function, which has the function right here, is not empty function. And this iterable right here is iterable. So I have all that together and I want to print this out. So I'm using a print function to print the new list. Let's see how that works. And bam, as you can see, the empty lists are gone. All right, I appreciate you taking this time and checking this video out. Thank you.